Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I discuss about 8085 microprocessor of programming model. So the 8085 programming model includes 6 register and 1 accumulator and 1 flag register as shown in figure. Okay. In addition, it has two 16-bit register. That's one is 16-bit and that's one is 16-bit. Okay. That's the stack pointer or SP and programming counter or PC that described in flow. Okay. Now I discuss about register. The 8085 has 6 general purpose register to store 8-bit data. These are identified as B, C, D, E, H, L. Okay, that's are most important. All are 6 8-bit data, and the 2-bit in addition will be 16-bit. They can be combined as a register pair like BC, DE, ACL. Now that's a 16-bit. That's a 16-bit. Okay. And to perform 16-bit operation for this, the program can use this as register to store or copy data into the register by using data copy instruction. And next one is accumulator. This one is important for my 8085 microprocessor. The accumulator is an 8-bit register that is a part of architectural logic unit or arithmetic logic unit, ALU. This register is used to store 8-bit data and to perform arithmetic and logical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or false, true, etc. The result of an operation is stored in the accumulator. The accumulator is also identified as register A. Okay. So in next one, I discuss about flag or flag register. Okay. So the ALU or arithmetic logic unit includes 5 flip-flops, and which are set or reset after an operation according to data conditions of the result in the accumulator and other register. They are called, the 5 flags are 0, carry, which is defined by CY, sign, which is defined by S, parity, which is defined by P, and next one is auxiliary carry, which is defined by AC. Clear? And their bit positions in the flag register are shown like as D7, D6, D5, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1 and D0, like that. Okay, and this is defined by S, Z. That means that's 0 indicated by Z, AC, then P, CY or something like that. Okay. Now I discuss about program counter. That means this one program counter, which is indicated by short from PC. This 16-bit register deals with sequencing and the execution of instructions. The register is a memory pointer. Memory locations have 16-bit address, and that is why this is a 16-bit register. The microprocessor uses this register to sequence the executions of the instructions. Okay. And next one is stack pointer. which is indicated by SP, and this also is 16-bit or instructions. The stack pointer is also a 16-bit register used as a memory pointer. It points to a memory locations in RW memory. RW memory means a read and write memory called the stack. The beginning of the stack is defined by loading 16-bit address in the stack pointer. So this programming model will be used in subsequent tutorials to examine how this is registers and affected after the executions of an instruction. So thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.